Hello and welcome to our tutorial on the leave period tool in Parsimony. In this video we'll explore how to create and manage leave periods for your organization. Let's get started. Navigate to the HR module, select Leaves and click on Leave Period to access the list of existing leave periods. A leave period is a duration of time for which leaves are allocated. To create a new leave period, click on the Add Leave Period button. In the leave period creation page, enter the name or select the company for which the leave period is applicable. You can also set the holiday list for optional leaves, which will be considered for allocating optional leaves for the period. This list will only contain a list of optional holidays and not the regular holidays. Next, set the start and end dates for the leave period. For example, let's set the start date to January 1, 2024 and the end date to December 31, 2024. Lastly, you can check the as active checkbox if you want to enable this particular leave period. Then click the Save button and your new leave period is now created. That's it. By following these steps, you can confidently create and manage leave periods for your company using Parsimony. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.